Today we're gonna be playing Dead Rails and beating it. Here's my friend here, Alexander.
Hi.
By the way, Dead Rails just added a massive update. I haven't known Dead Rails, but one of my friends told me that Dead Rails is great. So I decided to try it out with one of my other friends, Alexander. By the way, we're eating here, so there may be a little crunch noises. Say hi, Alexander.
Hi.
Sorry about that. And by the way, I'm getting sick. If this kid was grade 4 and I'm grade 5, I'm gonna buy coal. Now, Alexander will buy 3 pieces of coal.
We're eating Jollibee.
By the way, you may wondering what class am I using right now? I'm using werewolf.
And I'm using survivalist. So guys, I just bought sheet metal.
Bulletproof. But how? Did you buy coal?
No. Guys, I didn't buy coil. Sorry, but my friend Kaiser buy coil. Only one. So, we're just going to the town.
You guys, look! The monster died!
Billet! Here in end. Put it here. And I will put that. Oh. Guys, see this crunchy chicken joy.
Let's go!
Super.
Hey, wait! Stop the train! Stop the train! We're gonna guess every single bank code correctly without even killing the banker. Ekek will demonstrate if we find a town. Ek just thought that something was a unicorn. And jumped off to get it.
My friend is getting angry.
Drive! Drive! Oh, now we're gonna show you what the werewolf can do. Oh. Let me get off. Stop the train. Go. I have a sneaky suspicion that a werewolf is close by. And 3, 2, 1, please, please. Oh, this is so fast. This is great.
So guys, I'm gonna guess the code in the town is
But we still haven't found the town yet.
so good the chicken joy. So guys, I'm gonna guess the code is 54451. Is that correct? Let me see you.
I'm having a duel with a zombie. Here, 3, 2, 1, right here.
Go!
You guys, we're gonna test that out in a later video. And this, oh my god! I think these zombies are just spawning in on me. Don't worry, I have some. My friend has survivalist, right? Dude, what time is it? Dude, what time is it? Oh, it's daytime. Oh, guys! My friend's gonna die. Come here! Alexander, come here! Alexander, run to zone! Alexander, next time please help me. Let's see the banker's code. Let's see if Alexander was right. It is 544. Again. Alexander, let's just.
Alam ko na mag-cowboy. Ano? Mag-cowboy ako. Ikaw. Rib.
Guys, just wait here, okay?